Okay, let's give a quick tour of the Loud Van's Winkipop interior. First up, we've got the island unit. We put this in when we're going out travelling on the road. It's held in place by a couple of bolts which screw through to the bulkhead of the seat behind it. It's got a wine caddy bottle rack here on the side for soft drinks or wine bottles. Takes 3 bottles. It's got a cutlery drawer there. Takes one of the IKEA cutlery dividers. Double doors lead to storage for crockery and pots and pans. It's got 2 adjustable shelves. We've only put 1 in here, but then the central fixed shelf. We went for narrow doors, so when open they don't interfere too much with the access into the van. All the hinges on our cupboards are soft close. Through to the fridge cabinet. That takes a Waco Dometic 12 240 volt fridge. Above that, another drawer. This one's slightly deeper, so you can put more sort of long-handled utensils and things in there. Above that, the space for the butane burner. Takes any standard single butane burner. It comes with a stainless steel lining there. I've cut a couple of holes in that to locate that while travelling. On the top here we've got the vent panel for the fridge. In front of that, the power centre has a 240 volt socket and holes for 4 items of your choice. We've put 2 12 volt outlets, USB and a battery charger, battery monitor, but there's also space here for you to cut a few more holes and put some more things in as well if you want. Over to the sink cabinet. Takes the Dometic sink. We've put a pump handle tap there which goes through to the water tank under locker 1. I'll talk about that in a minute. Under the sink cupboard, same thing again, fixed central shelf, 2 adjustables. The pipes go through the right hand side into this area here, and that keeps all of the pipes, supply and waste pipes, out of this cupboard. So you've got full storage there. On the other side we have the pull-out larder. 4 drawers of ample storage for all your food and groceries. The drawer spacings are designed to take the cans, standard cans and sort of bottles, so there's varying spacing heights. Now into this little pipe area, into the seat. Take this panel off, and you can see there that was the supply and waste pipes which go through to the water tank. So 22 litre, 25 litre water tank sits under locker 1. Locker 1 and locker 2 both share the same size hatch at the top. Big wide opening, so there's no poking about to get things in. This is a little cover here, gives access to the water tank to fill it up. So the great thing about this setup is that the tank is hidden away under the locker, and it's not taking up sort of the prime real estate under the sink. A lot of other cabinets do that sort of thing. Locker 2, same large opening, and then down at the back, tiny locker for whatever you want to put in there. We put children's games and stuff in there. Then round the back, we have back of locker 2. We've got the final cupboard which holds circuit breaker and solar controller. we've got a solar panel, slimline flexi panel on the pop top roof, so that charges the battery under the seat.